Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So after a long time I have come in front of you with a new tutorial for you. So most of you have the questions regarding municipal drawing, okay, or it means a sanction plans. So how we can submit our architectural drawing to our nearest or our authorities means municipality to get approval of our sanction plan. Okay, means how to get the plan to be sanctioned so that we can design according to that. So in this tutorial I hope you all have known about this tutorial is about. So in this is my site plan, and you can see this. Actually the site plan have the site area is 1347.69 square feet. So it starts with, see, my I'm just going to show you my site area. So my site area starts with this point to this point, this point, and this to this. I hope you can see. So let me mark it. Okay, so go for this point to this point. I hope you can see my cursor, right? And you can see the blue shaded. So from here to this corner to this corner, right? And now you can see, go for the total. So you can see 1352.96, right? So here it shows me 1347.69. So it has little bit irregular shape, right? That's why little bit precision will be there for that. So now if you are going to draw any sanction plan or architectural plan to submit in your municipal for approval of it, so you have to leave some spaces for row, for setback. So you know the row means right of way. So this is the 13 feet wide road, so it is not the sufficient. So for that 7 feet has been left from this side, 7 feet, and this side also 7 feet. So this is the our plot, so we left for 7 feet, and the another plot people will also leave for the same 7 feet. So total will be 7 into 2, that is 14 feet, and 14 plus 13, it will be like that 27 feet or something like that, right? So this, now after that you have to, if you are going to draw any kind of municipal drawing, so you have to leave some spaces for right of way, and for setback, and for window I have just left for setback, that is 5 feet, right? And these are our site plan. So the complete site area is this completely total, right, which I have been shown you 2 minutes before. So now the proposed building, the building will only constructed in this area. So I'm going to show you the building will constructed in this area only. So see this area. So this shaded, you can see the blue shaded will be the plinth area, you can say it's a plinth area. So we can also test plinth area is 837. So see 835, it's almost it's same. Now this is our site plan. So after completion of the site plan you have to go for the ground floor plan, right? So how the ground floor plan looks like. So if you design your ground floor plan as I have did like this, then in the same way you have to submit, or you have to design your plan as it is, so you can only submit your municipal. So after that the same thing for first floor plan, second floor plan, you have to, first of all you have to design these floor plans. After that only you have to go for its elevation part. So elevation is also needed if you are going to submit to your municipal office, right? So not only for elevation, you have to go for the section plan, your schedule, door and window schedule, as well as your key plan or location plan, you can say. So see, these these are the completely municipal design. So And this, don't forget, this is my architectural design, it's not a structural part, it's a completely sanctioned plan. If you go to submit this plan to your municipal office, to your local municipal office, that confirm this plan will be sanctioned. So this plan has already been sanctioned to the local authorities of the municipal office. So see, client name I didn't mention. This is the layout, this is the building type, residential type, and it's a location of this plan, means the location of this construction will be done this place, and it's a plot number 541 and 532, and its area will be, its plinth area will be, means its area is 125.19 square meter, and drawn by, designed by, it's not mentioned over here. So this is your complete site plan. So if you are going to design, and if you want to learn, then DM me, or you can comment in the YouTube, and I will definitely release another video how to design a municipal design or municipal drawing. Or if you want to, if you want this complete PDF file, I will attach to my description box. You can get it from there, and you can work accordingly, right? Okay then. Okay, I hope you have loved this tutorial. If you love, then please press the bell icon for getting more updates, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it.